Welcome back to Guitars Model. Today we're going to open a quite exciting case with a very unique Levin steel string acoustic, and let's see what we got. You see, this is a model 163 or N26, and this is a one-off, custom made. As you can see here, there is a floating bridge, and this is the only known guitar made by Levin, acoustic guitar in this model, with a floating bridge like this, as you can see here. And this string holder is from a 325 arch top. Also the neck, as you can see here, is from a 325 arch top. So it was a custom order. It's what me and some other collectors, friends of mine, can figure out. See, this is the 325 tuners, and this is the back sunburst, which is also in the original case, and she sounds really great. She's being shipped off to America today, and yeah, until next time, we stay in touch. You can also go to guitarsmodel.com and on my Instagram and YouTube, and yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. Until next time, have a great day.